In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel HeyGen subscription. We'll walk through the exact path inside the app so you can quickly reach the page where cancellation options are managed, plus a few tips to avoid common hiccups. Start by opening HeyGen in a desktop browser and sign into the account that owns a subscription. If you're part of multiple teams, make sure you're in the correct workspace before proceeding. The navigation we're using is easiest to follow on desktop, and you'll want a stable connection so pages load fully. Once you're on the HeyGen home screen, look to the bottom left corner and click your profile icon. That's the small avatar area that opens your account and workspace controls. If you don't see it right away, expand or scroll the sidebar until the profile area appears. From the panel that opens, choose Settings. This takes you to the central place for account and workspace configuration. If you're managing a team subscription, confirm the workspace name at the top matches the one you intend to update. Inside Settings, go to Workspace Settings. This section governs team-level preferences, permissions, and plan details. It's the right spot for anything related to billing and subscriptions tied to a workspace rather than just your personal profile. Next, select Plan and Billing. This page is where your current plan, renewal date, billing cycle, invoices, and payment method are displayed. It's also the area where cancellation and plan changes are handled. Take a moment to review your renewal date and billing period so you know when changes will take effect. Many subscriptions apply cancellations at the end of the current cycle, and refunds are typically subject to the platform's terms. If you manage more than one workspace, double-check the workspace switcher before making changes. If you don't see Plan and Billing, your role may not include billing permissions. In that case, reach out to the workspace owner or an admin to proceed. Also note that subscriptions started through a mobile app store or a third-party marketplace may need to be managed in that store's billing settings instead. Before you leave this page, download any invoices you might need for your records, and consider using any remaining credits or exporting important items you've created. After you finish here, keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message regarding plan changes and save it for reference. If you ever need to return to a paid plan later, you can come back to Plan and Billing to update or reactivate your subscription. That's it. Now you know exactly how to navigate to the place where you can cancel your HeyGen subscription. Thanks for watching, and take care.